So here's a quick guide on how to create label in Blogger. First of all, open up your browser and search for Blogger. After searching for Blogger, click on the first link in the results, which is for blogger.com. So after getting into the Blogger website, click on Sign In on the top right corner, and then sign in or create your account. So as you can see, we're logged in and in the dashboard of the Blogger platform. From here, what you need to do is select the blog for which you want to create a label. So as you can see, if you go over to the blog, there will be multiple options on the right side. And here, there is an option that says Apply Labels to this post. So now, click on this option. After that, you will get to see this pop-up where you can add labels for this post. You can put in multiple labels and separate them by using commas. So I will type in tech and click on Apply. And as you can see, the tech label has been applied to this post instantly. And that is exactly how to create label in Blogger.